Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and today I'm going to teach you students how to show me that you earned all your weekly points in our lessons. So let's get cracking. It's really quite simple. Get in Google Classroom, find your class, and find the classwork section. Simply click the View Your Work button, and it shows what was assigned and what was done. You can fix any of these that you forgot to upload. Real quickly, the week I'm showing you this video is from the 25th to the 29th. So then all you'd have to show me are all of these pieces, and you must give me a screenshot that shows your name all the way down to the last week. If you give me a few extra, I don't care. Just make sure that you have the week that I asked for. Snap that screenshot quick and quickly return to my course. Notice clicking this link makes it quicker. And if you look at classwork, here is the new follow the video, turn in a screenshot. Now this video is being recorded right now, so the link won't be here at the moment, but it will be when you see it. And then simply hit add file. And remember, we're grabbing ours from our desktop. You can use the cool drag technique, or you can see here on my desktop, it is right there, so I can now add it and get all the points for the daily work this week. Once you've got that done, make sure you hit turn in so I can give you all your points. Thanks for all your effort, and if you didn't get them all this week, just make sure you get them all next week. Remember, try like a champion. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.